Hello, and thank you for joining me here. So, my week started with some challenging conversations and events. So, I decided on one of my lunch breaks this week to stop by one of the local garden centers in my neck of the woods. Every year, they produce some of the most beautiful roses that I see. The quality at this garden center is quite superb. We experienced snow a couple of weeks ago, and because of this, some of the plants in the local garden centers have experienced a bit of shock. Unfortunately, I was able to find some strawberries that went through that process. And so they weren't looking too good, but I was able to capture them, purchase them for about $2 for a 6 pack. And I thought I'd just go ahead and plant them in these hanging planters and pray that they produce. And again, it's an extremely cooler and windy day today. We're expecting some rain, which will help. But it's not the most ideal day to be outside getting some gardening done because I'm pretty layered. I've got about 3 tops on, and of course my skirt. So should be finished with this soon. And a bit of fertilizer on top. And now it's time to hang these in their respective places and just sit and wait and see what happens once it warms up a bit. And he's found the catnip. The fennel seeds I planted probably won't produce for another few months. So I decided today I'll show you how I make my fennel green apple smoothie. few years ago, um, every time I turned around, I was getting sick. Sick with a cold, sick with flu. And it didn't matter how much I exercised, I ate healthy, it continued. And so after finally sitting down with my doctor, we kind of went through some of the issues that I was having, and we credit it to additional stress and some of the difficult people I was dealing with on a daily basis. And as soon as I made a conscious decision to focus on me and not dealing with any additional stress, I actually started healing. And I'm so thankful. It has been researched time and time again, the effect of stress in daily lives. As a researcher myself, I know this, I've experienced this. And stress can cause a huge deficit in one's general well-being on a daily basis. So my advice to you, someone who has suffered with illness based on stress, that is stress something that you can rid yourself of, please do. Bit of honey for sweetness. And my soul rejoices for this most purifying delight. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or evening, and I'll see you soon.